Hello and welcome to another joke of the day. In today's joke, an airplane is about to take off and the pilot says, we'll be flying at 32,000 feet. And then the pilot forgets to turn off the speaker, and he says to the person sitting next to him, the co-pilot, what I wouldn't give right now for a cup of coffee and a blowjob. And the stewardess sitting at the back of the plane, hearing this, runs to the front of the plane in order to tell the pilot to turn off his speaker. And while she's doing this, someone in the cabin yells out. Someone in the cabin yells out. Someone in the cabin yells out. You forgot to bring the coffee. Okay, well, that's your joke for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.